Hi, my greetings to everyone. As we all know that agriculture is called the backbone of Indian economy. I'm very proud to say that I belong to an agricultural family and it is not that much easy to do the agriculture. Today I'm going to show you that how the carrots are harvested. We have a well with enough groundwater and a motor room as well. We always follow this sprinkler system for watering the vegetable crops, and it is fully automated. Here we have started the harvesting process, and it may take at least 5 to 6 hours to finish. Look at these young and fresh carrots. We can see some soil on the surface. Basically, carrots will have many kinds of roots like tap root, lateral root, and storage root. I'm going to wash a carrot now. Wow, look at the color. It's amazing. It's very juicy and very sweet too. I like this. Here the bags were loaded and ready to transport. I'm going to take few carrots to home to prepare the signature dish. I'm going to prepare one of my favorite dessert. Not only mine, many Indians will have this dessert in their meal. Yes, it is carrot halwa. I just added a teaspoon of ghee. Now I'm going to add the grated carrots. I'm going to saute it until the raw flavor goes off. Now I'm adding the fresh milk into it and I'm going to mix it gradually. I'm going to cover a lid to the vessel and I'll cook the carrot for 5 minutes in a medium flame. After opening the lid, mix it thoroughly. Now I'm going to add sugar and I'm mixing the sugar thoroughly until the sugar dissolves. I'm going to add the cardamom powder to add the flavor to carrot halwa. Basically, carrots are the excellent sources of nutrients like vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. The mouth-watering carrot halwa is ready. Look at the color. Wow. And this is the right texture for carrot halwa. And by its taste, it's just fantastic. I can feel the flavor of ghee, fresh milk, cardamom, and carrot as well. A dish to die. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.